What's going on, everyone? Charlie here. Let's take a look at the calculator from Fidelity real quick for AMC, GME, and we'll throw in GRWG as well for today. Let's go and start with GameStop. Look at the options chain for each of the three. And basically, for those of you who may not know what we're doing here, this options chain calculator here is specifically going off of the options chain for each different stock, projects a price percentage chance of up or down based on the options chain here. So the way it works is you put in a price target, high or low, and then you pick a date, and then it gives you a percent chance that the price is going to fall above or below that price target for that date that you set. I don't like to go out in dates. I just like to look at it a day at a time. So basically, you don't change any metrics when you go into it. You leave the date or you leave the numbers the same. You just use the previous day's close and then measure the following trading day. So looking at the calls here, again, like I said yesterday, I think we're going to trade between this range of 200 and 220, seeing as resistance is right there, and we have support right here at 1652. Let's take a look at AMC now. And I believe, as always, similar situation. Resistance at that $40 mark, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so you got it's built, all throughout the 40. You got 42, basically all the way down. Don't think AMC's moving anywhere above 40 this week based on what I'm seeing here. The good news is I don't see it going below 35 based on what I'm seeing here, and definitely not below 30 because you got massive support here at 30. So that's good to see. God dang it. I always type that in wrong. GrowGen earnings this week on the 11th. So we have most of the resistance here. We have a little built up here at 26 and support kind of scattered throughout the lower 20s here. So it's up in the air. I think it's really going to fall on that earnings report. It's not sure what's anticipated, but if they beat earnings, it should be very good. But if you followed along, then you should have gotten in somewhere around 23 or so, hopefully. So I'm planning on holding through earnings at least. Tomorrow is the day before earnings. We'll have to see what happens. But yeah, we will see. Let's take a look at the calculator now. So for tomorrow's trading day, the 10th, 41.24% chance to close above where we did today, and a 58.76% chance below where we closed today for GrowGen, 25.02. Down slightly in after hours as well. AMC. $47.64 chance above and a 52.36% chance below. And last but not least, GME, of course. Closed at 206.60, down 5.51% today. And 49.39, basically a coin flip for GME, 49.39% chance above and a 50.61% chance below. Let's wait and see what happens. Y'all have a good one.